Hey, welcome back. It's another fine day of doing algebra, and I'm hoping that you're having a good day. And let's take a look at the lesson for today. This is Chapter 11, Lesson 5. It is called Adding and Subtracting with Like Denominators. This lesson is very doable. You're going to do great. The key idea here is that we are working with fractions with common denominators, and that should save us quite a bit from some of the crazy work that we'll get to do later on in this chapter when we do not have like denominators. But since we do, we have x here and x here, we can go straight into the process of adding our numerators or subtracting our numerators and then simplifying the expression. Okay, so I have 4 problems for you today. Here's our first one. We have x plus 2 being added to 3x minus 2. What I would like you to do is just try to add the like terms. So I have x plus 3x, and that gives me 4x. And then I have this 2 here plus a negative 2, and 2 plus negative 2 is 0, so that just becomes 0. I can leave it as 4x for my numerator. And my denominator stays the same as x. Alright, so I've simplified, I've added the two numerators together, I've written my new fraction, and now I just do one more last step, and that's to see if there's any simplifying, any reducing I can do. And look, this x can cancel out that x, so you're left with 4 over 1, or just plain old 4. There's your answer to number 1. Okay. Problem number 2. If I go too fast, you can always rewatch this video at another time. Here we go. We have x plus 2 minus 3x plus 2. So we look and we can add and subtract the like terms. So x minus 3x, that gives you negative 2x. 2 minus 2 is 0. Yeah, so we leave it as negative 2x again. Keep the denominator the same as x squared plus 5. And then ask yourself, is there any reducing that I can do? Can I factor out anything out of x plus 5? Can I make that? Nope, can't do anything with that. This is simplified. Can I do any reducing? I don't think I can, so you have the final answer right here, negative 2x over x squared plus 5. Let's try our third example, which looks something like this. 2x over x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 2 over x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now again, very helpful that our denominators are exactly the same. We'll have to do something with those a little bit later on, but they're the same denominator. So we'll just add our two numerators together and get a new expression. So 2x plus 2. Well, 2x plus, there's nothing else there that's an x, so it's just 2x. And then something plus 2, it's plus 2. So you just get 2x plus 2. Can't really do much more with that. Over x squared plus 2x plus 1. Alright, now that looks like I should be done, but there's going to be more that I can do with this problem. And what I can hopefully show you, let's see here, having a little trouble with the zooming. No, I want to just do, that's moving that problem. That's not exactly what I was hoping to do. Well, let's just kind of move it over here. And we'll try to do a little erasing. This is the joy of trying to, oh nope, I don't want to do that. Okay, let's go back to the pencil drawing. Let's try this with the eraser. Let's erase this. Nope. Yep. Okay, let's just go over here. What can I factor out of 2x plus 2? I can divide a 2 and rewrite that as x plus 1. We're just going to factor our numerators and denominator here and see if we can find anything that can cancel out, reduce each other. X squared plus 2x plus 1, we can factor that as x plus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, now that we've factored, is there anything that can cancel out? You bet. We can cancel out an x plus 1 and an x plus 1. And so then my final answer is 2 over x plus 1. Circle that answer for you, and that's what you are looking for your final answer. Okay? So you add the numerators, get a new one single fraction, then look to see if you can factor things out of the numerator and the denominator. Like to reduce, cancel things, simplify, final answer. Okay. Last one. You've been great. Let's try this last example. We have 2x minus 4 over x squared plus 3x minus x minus 7 over x squared plus 3x. Again, same denominator, so we don't have to do anything to change that. We can go right into the process of adding or subtracting our numerators. So I'm going to take 2x minus x, and that's going to give me x, and negative 4 minus negative 7. Negative 4 minus negative 7 is like negative 4 plus 7, so that's plus 3 over x squared plus 3x. Now, like I did in that last problem, I'm going to see if I can factor anything out of my numerator or my denominator. X plus 3 on the top should stay the same. And x squared plus 3x, I'm going to take out an x and rewrite that as x plus 3. The light bulb should be going off. What can I cancel? What can I reduce? Look at this. X plus 3, they cancel each other out. Leaves you with a little 1 up on top and the x in the bottom. So 1 over x becomes your final answer. There you go. I hope that's helpful. If you need to watch this a second time or a third time, you can do that. Help each other out, and let's have a good homework assignment for Monday. Thanks. Talk to you soon.